Cough is one of the most common symptoms for which patients seek medical attention from primary care physicians and lung specialists. About 40% of the population at any one time report cough. The prevalence of cough in India is 5 to 10%. Cough is associated with significantly impaired health-related quality of life, whether in adults or kids. Clinically, the etiology of cough can be broadly classified into acute and chronic. Acute cough lasts from 1 to 3 weeks and chronic cough lasts for more than 8 weeks. Acute cough is responsible for over 50% of new patient attendance in primary care. Chronic cough is reported in approximately 10 to 20% of the general population. The identification of wet and dry cough is an important clinical finding, aiding in differential diagnosis. Acute cough can be classified as dry and wet cough. Dry cough is non-productive, causes irritation in throat, causes hacking, tickling and scratchy sensation. Etiology of dry cough: asthma, non-asthmatic, eosinophilic bronchitis, gastroesophageal reflux disease, laryngopharyngeal reflux, vocal cord dysfunction. Antitussives are used for effective symptomatic relief of dry cough. Two types of antitussive drugs are mainly available for the management of cough: centrally acting opioids and non-opioids cough suppressants and peripheral antitussives. First-generation antihistamines like chlorpheniramine are often used alone or in combination in the management of non-specific cough. Levodopa is a non-opioid agent whose peripheral antitussive action results both from modulation of the airway sensory nerves and inhibition of the release of the neuropeptides from C fibers. Levodopa achieves faster onset of action than dextromethorphan. Clinical efficacy studies of levodopa. In a meta-analysis study, levodopa was significantly better than codeine and dextromethorphan in terms of reducing cough intensity and frequency and nocturnal awakenings. Levodopa has better benefit profile than dextromethorphan in children. In children with bronchitis, the severity of cough was more significantly reduced after 2 to 3 days of administration in the levodopa group compared to dextromethorphan group. The frequency of cough was also reduced after 2 days and 3 days in the levodopa group. Levodopa group had higher final efficacy score than the dextromethorphan group. Italian Society of Pediatric Allergy and Immunology Guidelines 2021 recommends that levodopa can be safely used to manage acute cough in children. Levodopa, an effective and very well-tolerated peripheral antitussive drug, appears favorable compared to other available cough and cold products. Levodopa is an effective antitussive drug both in children and adults, showing overall efficacy in reducing cough intensity, frequency and night awakenings. Levodopa is an ACCP-recommended Grade A antitussive in acute or chronic bronchitis. In a nutshell, levodopa achieves faster onset of action than dextromethorphan, superior to dextromethorphan in reducing cough intensity, delivers peaceful sleep with less night awakenings, no CNS-associated side effects, offers better safety profile than dextromethorphan in pediatric population. Reswas comes in a smart purple pack. A drip-free neck delivers more cleanliness and saves more. Clear laser-engraved markings deliver accurate dosing. Concave inner bottom leads to less contamination. Easy to hold stub, helps in convenient administration. In dry cough, only Reswas, 1 spoon, relief soon.